Nearly 47,000 Americans have lost their lives due to coronavirus, but that number could spike following new research that suggests COVID-19 was silently spreading in at least 5 U.S. cities in February, a month earlier than originally thought. CBS 4's Michael George reports from New York.
As out-of-state medical workers leave New York City and head home, new hotspots of coronavirus are emerging around the country. 2 prisons in Ohio are topping the list, with over 4,000 inmates and staff sickened. In Iowa, Tyson Foods suspended operations at a pork plant indefinitely. And this Green Bay, Wisconsin meatpacking plant may be responsible for the largest daily jump in positive cases in Wisconsin. In Georgia, cases continue to rise, but the state's Republican governor is pushing forward with a plan to partially reopen businesses tomorrow. He does not have the support of President Trump.
Would I do that? No. I'd keep him a little longer. I want to protect people's lives. But I'm going to let him make his decision. But I told him I totally disagree.
Last week, the president tweeted 3 states led by Democratic governors need to be liberated. And his words helped inspire protests that continue to take place across the country.
It's sad, it's pathetic, and it's unconstitutional.
But a new CBS News poll finds 70% of Americans say the nation's top priority should be slowing the spread of coronavirus, not getting the economy going. 71% said they would not be comfortable with going to a bar or restaurant. 85% wouldn't be comfortable getting on an airplane. And 87% said they would not be okay attending a large event. Nevada is one state not letting up on social distancing, even after multiple demands from the mayor of Las Vegas.
We offered to be a control group. Anybody who knows anything about statistics knows that, for instance, you have a vaccine.
You're offering
the
citizens of Las Vegas to be a control group to see if your theory on social distancing works or doesn't work.
Wrong. Absolutely wrong. Don't put words in my mouth.
Nevada's governor says he will not allow his state's citizens to be used as a control group. Michael George, CBS News, New York.